in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're experiencing an issue on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer where there is no sound or audio output being detected. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to look down in your system tray and make sure your speaker icon's turned up. And then if you have external speakers, I make sure that it's powered on as well as turned up. Make sure that it is turned on, obviously. And if you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left side and then select sound over here on the right. And then scrolling down at the bottom, there should be an item underneath advanced to troubleshoot common sound problems. You would select output devices and then run through the troubleshooter, and then hopefully that would resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.